everybody. In today's video, let us discuss about counting the squares. So type 1, let us see. Here he gave a certain figure. Okay. Now first, for such kind of figures, we have to count the rows and columns. Now column means this one and these are rows. So in this diagram, how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are columns, 4 columns. And how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows are there. Means here columns are not equal to rows, no. They are different in number. Then for such kind of figures, what we will do means, so here we have to write column into row. First 4 into 3, or you can also write row into column also. So 4 into 3. Next what you will do means, reduce 1 from 4. What you will get? 3. Reduce 1 from 3. You will get 2. Again reduce 1 from 3. 2. Reduce 1 from 2. 1. Again reduce 1 from 2. What you will have? 1. 1 from 1? 0. So until 0 gets, you have to reduce one number and you have to write in such a way. Okay. So now multiply it. 4 3s are 12. 3 2s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 1 zeros are 0. Now 12 plus 6 18. 18 plus 2 20. So 20 squares are present here. Let us go for one more example. So columns, rows. So number of columns are 1 2 3 4 5. Number of rows are 1 2 3 4. Right? Here also columns are not equal to rows. Now here first you have to write 5 into 4. Reduce one number. 4 into 3. Again reduce one number. 3 into 2. Again reduce one number. 2 into 1. Again reduce one number. 1 into 0. So 5 4s are 20. 4 3s are 12. 3 2s are 6. 2 1s are 2. And 1 zeros are 0. Alright. So 6 7 8 9 10. 2 3 4. So 40 squares are present here. So totally 40 squares are present in this figure. Now let us see the situation where rows and columns are same. Okay. This is for different rows and columns. Now let us move for type 2. Here rows, columns. Let us count columns. 1 1 2 3 4. Rows 1 2 3 4. Both are same. Here columns are equal to rows. So in such a position, what we will do means, for such kind of figures where rows is equal to columns, in such figures we will do as, now 1 square. Okay. So next 2 square. Okay. Next 3 square. 4 square. Both are same. Here 4, here 4. So 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16. Okay. So answer comes out to be 15, 29. Right. Now next, the same model. Here 1 2, and again if we see the column 1 2. 2 columns, 2 rows. Okay, columns 1, 2. And rows also 1, 2. The similar procedure. 1 square, 1. 2 square, 4. So we will get 5. For such figures, if we get, directly we can write 5. Every time, no need of doing. Okay, directly if we get such kind of figure with 2 rows, 2 columns, we can directly write it as 5. Now let us apply the same for this. So plus mark must be there. Here you see, plus mark is there. Plus mark. So here you see, plus mark is there. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3. Now no need of every time counting in such a way. One is plus mark is there, and for each square you can directly write it as, for this square 5. Again for this square I am writing 5 with plus mark. For this square again 5. So 5 3s are 15. So 15 squares are present. Directly you can write. If a plus mark is present, rows is equal to column, and plus mark is present, directly you can write it as 5. So here 3 squares with plus mark is there. So 5 plus 5 plus 5, I wrote it as 15. Right? Now here, so first let us consider this rows. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. Now let us consider columns. 1, 2, let us write here 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Now as usual, in starting figure I said no, in type 2, what we will do when row equal to column? 1 square, next 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Okay, so 1, 4, 9, 16. So how much we get? 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. Sorry, 20. Here also 20 is the answer. Okay, so 20. So 2 will be the remainder, 30. Sorry, here 30. I did mistake, I am sorry. 30 is the answer. So we got 30. In a similar manner we did 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. We will get answer as 30. Right? Now next what we have to see? Now another 4 squares are there. And these squares you see, plus sign is there. Right? In these 4 squares we are finding plus sign. So for plus sign, what I said, directly we can write 5. Okay. So now how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 squares with plus sign are there. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. How much? 20. 5 fours are. Now after that you just do 30 plus 20. How much you will get? 50. So how many squares are present there? 50 squares are present. Now next, let us see another model of counting the squares. Now here, he gave a square. Inside the square, he gave some diamond shape. So first, just forget about diamond shape. Then how is the shape? In such a way, no? You forget about diamond shape. And if you remove the diamond shape, this is the situation. For such situations, what I said, directly write 5. Now, this is diamond shape. Diamond shape is nothing also what? If you observe correctly, it is square. Diamond shape, it is nothing but a square. Means plus 1 we have to write. 5 plus 1. So, 6. For such shapes, if we get no, as in this case we wrote 5 no, in this case directly we can write 6. as in this case we are writing directly 5. So in such case, if diamond shapes present inside the plus mark square, then we can write answer directly as 6. So let us do some complicated one. So now first I am considering the outer square. So this one I kept lines. So here plus mark is there, right? And even diamond shape is also there, right? Plus mark as well as diamond shape is there. So I can write directly as 6. Okay. Now next I am considering inner square. This one. So plus mark is there and diamond shape is there. So directly again I am writing 6. Now let us consider this square. Only square with plus mark is there. So square with plus mark we will write as 5. So 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 5 17. So 17 squares are present. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, share and subscribe it. Thank you.